My review of this machine, the CASABREWS. What I absolutely love about it, the only thing I really want to show you is I froth my milk because of the way that the machine is set up. The frothing will stop after it runs out of like water that's in there to make it steam. And for me, it's absolutely perfect because it makes my milk the perfect temperature that I want. So I'll just set it up in the morning and I'll turn it on and it'll froth like this. And then it'll stop on its own, which will be in just a couple minutes, a couple seconds. Yeah, it's already the perfect temperature that I want. We're just gonna wait, you'll see. I have faith in it. Should stop any second, man. There you go. Stopped. This is the perfect temperature for me. This is about, I don't know how many ounces that is, maybe 16. I filled it up to about here, and I just froth it, and I can go about my business. I can get ready for school or whatever, get ready for work, and then it just does it. And now it's blinking up here. That means it has no more air or water for steam. You have to like reboot it. So you just turn it off, right? And then you make your espresso. Wonderful machine. I love it.
Okay, so when you're using the milk frother, you have to turn this to steam. This has to still be in there. And then you turn this. Water is going to come out before it turns to steam. So then I always turn that off. I empty that. Hold on a second. I add about 4 ounces of milk. Maybe that's closer to 6. Maybe, let me do this.
Done and done. Okay, as a part of the review, I'm gonna make a ristretto. As you can see, I'm Italian, I have an accent. So I think his machine is great for the price so far. I hope it lasts. So this is the pre. So goes the pressure. The liquid that comes down is pretty dark, and that's what you want. even if the coffee is 7 out of 10. And look at the cream. Look at the cream. This is what you want a ristretto to be at Italian bar. Look at the cream, not the things of Starbucks, but this is exactly what an Italian wants. So I'm pretty happy, and bye-bye.
Ok, vamos a preparar un ristretto con la máquina nueva que compré, con un muy buen café Oma de Colombia, para que vean la crema del ristretto. Como pueden ver, la crema que se forma es espectacular. No hay nada que enviar a una máquina de una cafetera como Starbucks o demás.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females need you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easy, baby. The only reason that I came through tonight is 'cause I know you were invited. The only reason that this dress is skin tight is 'cause I thought that you would like it. I'm only gone for the secret outside. Because I want you to like that. The only reason I came through tonight is because I